everyone, in this video we want to talk about the date function in the Microsoft Excel. As you notice, the date function will return a date value if we enter the year, month and day separately in the date function. So for example, here if I want to have the date value of 2018 month 6 and day 15, I just need to enter these separately. In the first value should be the year, the second value should be month, and the third value should be day. So after I enter this into the cell, I will have the date value of the year 2018 month 6 and the day 2000 and the day 15. If you change the format to the number, you will see this value is the number value, which indicate the value of the date of the 2018 month 6 date 50. So there is two ways for having this value. The first way is to enter these values directly in this function, and the second way is to enter this value via the other cells. For example, if I have the year in the first cell and then the month in the second one and the day in the third one, I will have the date value by using the date function for referencing to these cells. Also, you need to be aware of that if you, for example, copy paste this function here and you use the empty cells in the date function, you will have the number error after that. So you do not allow it to use the empty cells in the date function. So let me Control Z to have my previous value. Another thing you need to notice, if you use the day 0 in the function, you will have one day before of this month. So for example, if I enter to the year 2000 month 4 and day 0 in the date function, I will have the last day of the month 3 of the 2000. So for example, if I use -1 value here as a day, I will have 2 days before of this month 4. Also in the month, if you use the -2, so you will have 2 months before the year 2000. So you will have the day 20 of the month 10, 2 months before the year 2000 in the year of the 1990. And also if you use in the year 0 value, you will have the first year defined in the Excel. So the year 19 will be the first year that is defined in the Excel date formula function. If you use 0, 0, 0, you will have the non-value. So if you use 1, 1 in the day and the year 0, you will have the first value defined in the Microsoft Excel date. So if you return that to the general, you will have just number 1, as the 1 is the first number defined as a date in the Excel value. So if you change it to the date, short date, you will have the first day of the month 1 of the year 19. And also if you use 10, you will have 10 years after this first year of this year that defined in the Excel. It's become year 1910. So this is the thing that you need to know, remember when you're using the date function in the Microsoft Excel. I hope this video helped you a lot. Thanks for watching us. Goodbye. In order to watch more training videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Diaco Ltd. And if you want to see our products, please visit our website, diaco.co.uk.